What's going on, family? Welcome to Trading in the Trenches. Make sure to like, subscribe, and set your alerts on the video below. Leave a comment if you guys have any questions, and I'll be sure to get back to you. All right, so today's video is about how you can take permissions away from other people so that way they don't have access to your money in your wallet. All right, so let's get into it. The way I do this is I go to dbank.com, okay? dbank.com. And when I get here, what do? I connect my wallet. Excellent. Now that my wallet is connected, I'm going to go to approval. What this does is it shows me any network where they have approval of my tokens. So right now, I'll show you guys, as you see here on the top left, the Ethereum tab is highlighted. And when I scroll up, you can see the three tokens that have exposure in my wallet. So we got Metagachi, we got Mononoke, and we got Shiba Inu. There's no actual money in Shiba Inu, but they still have access to my Shiba Inu. Okay, who's they? Right there, 1 inch. So if you drop down these arrows, you can see who has access. Uniswap 1 inch. This one is unknown, Metagachi, right? Okay, and then what you see is the approved amount. So this is very important, family. This is very important. You don't want to have anyone who you don't know have access or permission to your wallet. So if it's Uniswap, that's okay, right? Uniswap is not going to rob you. If the exchange gets hacked, that's a different story. But Uniswap, 1 inch, PancakeSwap, these guys having permission to your wallet is typically okay. What's not okay is this unknown project, right? If I didn't know who this was, if I didn't know who that was, I would want to delete that, take away their permissions. Okay, so you see how I clicked on it and it says I can cancel approval. You can click on any project and cancel the approval. All right, I'm not canceling this because I actually know who has access to my wallet, but I'm just showing you guys. All right, let's go to one more. I'm gonna go to the BSC network. And I have no exposure here, right? So it shows you the tokens that I have had in my wallet. But because there's actually none of these currently in my wallet, token exposure is basically $0. All right. So that's how you do that, family.